Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best cordless electric scissors on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Snapfresh cordless electric scissors. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Snapfresh cordless electric scissors are a lightweight and versatile cutting tool designed for various household and crafting tasks. Weighing just 0.87 pounds, they are easy to handle and reduce fatigue during extended use. Powered by a 4V lithium-ion battery, these scissors can cut through materials up to a 1/4 inch thick, including cardboard, plastic packaging, leather, canvas, carpet, and wallpaper. The self-sharpening blade ensures consistent cutting performance, and a replacement blade is included for convenience. A safety switch must be pressed before the trigger to prevent accidental activation, making it suitable for homes with children. The kit comes with the cordless electric scissors, a charger, a replacement blade, and a user manual, providing a comprehensive solution for your cutting needs. Number 2 is the Works Zip Snip cordless electric scissors. The Works Zip Snip cordless electric scissors are a compact and efficient cutting tool designed for various household and crafting tasks. Powered by a rechargeable 4V max lithium battery, they can cut through materials up to a 1/4 inch thick, including cardboard, plastic packaging, fabric, leather, and carpet. The self-sharpening blade ensures consistent cutting performance, while the safety switch and blade guard provide added protection during use. Weighing only 0.86 pounds and featuring a textured gripzone handle, the Zip Snip offers comfort and control for extended projects. The battery holds its charge for several months and can be recharged in just a few hours using the included charger. This tool is ideal for users seeking a convenient and reliable alternative to traditional scissors. And the first position goes to the Vouo cordless electric scissors. The Vouo cordless electric scissors are a lightweight and powerful tool designed for cutting a wide variety of materials with ease. Powered by a 3.6V rechargeable lithium-ion battery, they offer up to 4 hours of continuous use on a full charge, making them suitable for both occasional tasks and extended projects. With a high-speed motor that delivers up to 10,000 RPM, these scissors can cut through fabric, cardboard, plastic, leather, carpet, and more. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long use. A built-in safety switch requires the button to be held down during operation, helping to prevent accidental starts. The scissors come with 2 interchangeable blades, one for fabric and soft materials, and one for harder surfaces, allowing for flexibility depending on the task. Ideal for crafters, DIYers, and professionals alike, the Vouo cordless electric scissors offer a reliable and efficient alternative to manual cutting tools. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 cordless electric scissors that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.